Nag-iipon. May aftertaste ba yung voice ko? Ano, one way lang ba yung salita ko o may aftertaste? Asa na si Benedict? Andito ako sa bahay, nakaupo, di ba? You feel better. Kasi pag iba yung background ko, nagsisilayas kayo. Ano ba? I will use my set mind. Naka-reboot. Pag iba yung background ko, nagsisilayas yung mga viewers ko. Pero pag yan yung background ko, stay in yan sila. Asa na si Benedict? Pabalik ko niyo siya. Mara in Canada? Sabi niya, balik ka dito. Akala ko, yun na yung unang inaccept ko. Akala ko si Benedict na yun. Ano pala yung Benedict din yung may trauma. Hala, mag 200k na ako guys. Unfollow nyo na ako.
Oh, 100k na.
Ma'am Kat, yung cleavage mo. Okay lang yun kayo.
Nasa na siya? Pag uli ko nala kay magbabuyan ako sa umama na.
Pa-share ng live, send lion, up ko.
3.6 naman, K.
Pag uli ko nala, magbabuyan ako sa umama na. Pwede ka man magbabuyan niya na.
Asa na si Benedict?
Ito, usala alay. Sige po, ari-ari ang pakitaan. Kay Adto Permen.
Mana, can you slow down your mouth? You're so noisy.
Sorry po.
Oo. You take out your marites later.
Mag 200k, no? Ang bilis.
Hula! Pa-share ng live mga ka-Wonder Dog.
Grabe. Famous, no?
Asa na si Benedict? Benedict, come to mama. Pack me. Wow, thank you sa buloy. Andito lang ako sa bahay, nakaupo ako sa lamesa. Kay wala tapos na kami kumain. Lang. Saan ka pa? Mahiwagang salaming, wag nang magpakahibang, dapat ay itawa lang. Ang problema sa babae ay hindi nindak. Hayaan mo silang magsasal sa'yo, diba? Asa na ba si Benedict?
Dito na. $70,000.
Oh, kuya?
Hello.
Hello, baby.
Nice to meet you po.
Nice to meet you too. I
How
like
are
your
you?
skin disease. Wait, I will...
I'm not yet dead.
Wait. Okay, wait. I will take out my green tea.
Huh?
Ano ba yun? Wait, baby. I will take out my green tea. I want to sit properly. Ayan.
Sa TikTok.
Oh, I thought that was your house.
No, it's a prank. Ayo. What's
Where are
your name?
you from?
Oh, your name is Benedict. Where are you from? Are you Chinese? Korea?
I'm Filipino.
Ah,
Pinoy
you look
ako.
Korea.
No,
Are you
you
half
look
cooked or
Korean.
purified?
Me?
Yes.
I Filipino by blood, but ano?
Ah,
Chinese by blood, Filipino by house.
yes.
Hindi po ako.
Your blood is Filipino.
Yes, half cooked.
Ah, so but you're not high blood.
No, not high blood.
Where do you live in Filipino?
I live here in Bulacan. Are you familiar with
Bulacan.
Bulacan?
We're part of Bulacan. I've been there before when I was married contract.
Where where are you from now?
I'm from Leyte, but I stay in Bulacan at the passed away when I was married.
Before. This
Yes,
is
before.
This is, you know, Maykawayan, Bulacan.
Yes, I know my Kawayan Bulacan because I live in last moment in Giginto Bulacan. Do you organize that Giginto Bulacan?
Yes, I know, Giginto, Bulacan.
Oh.
But it's like 1 hour away from here.
Oh, 1 hour away is not a pass away. It's not a long distance. We are neighbor town.
Yeah, neighbor town. How long is Leyte from here?
How long is a very long as long as you have a money contest? Because if you have a money contest, you can ride Asia National High School. Yes.
Who are you
If you walking via Spartan, it's a very very long.
Who are you from? Ay, who are you from? Who are you with right now?
Wow. Fardo.
Who are you with right now?
I with my madam because my madam is birthday right now, last birthday. She is going to
Okay,
rest
here,
in
madam.
peace.
Hi,
What?
madam.
Yes.
Hi, madam.
Don't talk
Nice to see you.
Yeah. No, my madam is, we have a disability. Mm-mm. You know what? You're handsome. Are you straight or bygone or manual or crossing? What is, are you part of LGU or straight ahead?
I am unidentified human being, UFO.
Ah,
I'm alien.
you're alien, so spicy ka? Spider-Man?
Yes. LGU?
But you're handsome. Are you single?
No, I'm not now. Not.
Why?
Are you? But it's okay. We can change our mind.
Okay, because we have change current your mind. As long as you have a cysto in your brain tumor.
Oh my god.
Yes.
How about you? You have love life now?
Yes, I have a relationship because you know, as long as you can feel the love, you always choosing, you make me happy because you know, love is not refundable.
How
Love
do
is
you
never stay in.
how do you feel
What?
love?
Love. Think 50% love and 50% labor. That is the creation of love and labor. Yes. Someone is here in my comment section is your artist. Your artist?
Before.
But you
Sometimes.
quit. Okay. I'm
Just
very
some-
happy and very thankful because you're here in my live wire right now. You're so very popular
I'm
and I
also
am a
privileged.
singular. What?
I'm plural.
Ah. No, you're singular. I'm plural. Oh, wait. What is your eating, baby? Are you finished to eat your dinner?
This is part of my dinner. This is a protein bar, you know.
Protein bar?
Yeah, you want? Ah,
Oh my God. Open your mouth. Pag si Lucio ayaw kumain, ako ang nagpapakain. Tagay na.
Chinese daw kita.
What?
Chinese daw kita.
Ano daw?
Marunong ka daw
Repeat,
mag-Chinese.
repeat. Chinese?
Marunong ka daw?
No, Korean lang.
Talaga?
Yes, I know how to speak saranghe, sarangiyot, saranghipa. Do you know sarangiyot 3 times a day and saranghipa, saranghe?
Sarang iyot not hiring?
You're not hiring? Do you know sarangiyot?
Sarang iyot?
Oh my
no.
God.
What is that?
Wait, my voice is we have aftertaste.
A little.
Oh my God, can you offline your
Okay.
your phone? You destroyed my company.
May aftertaste.
Umi-echo ba?
Nagtatagalog ka naman pala eh.
Oo. Practice lang, practice.
Akala ko naman iba yung language niya.
Eh, akala ko nga ano ka, Chinese garter, Korea. Kaya nag-English ako.
Pinoy ako.
At least, you can teach me how to. We have learning and immune system.
But your English is very good. I learned a lot today. Like,
Oh my
sarang
God, because my English is we have acid eret. So that's why I very flawless to speak English because I am a graduate in nebulizer.
Who taught you how to speak in English?
My brain tumor because I can stamina myself. I can handle myself and I'm flexible person.
Wow.
But
Self-serve,
my
self-study.
totally damaged, I'm graduating grade 3. But if you learn that something wrong, we have a error. Diba? Yawa ka.
Anong lingwahe sa Leyte?
Waray.
Oh, waray din yung sa bahay namin. Meron kaming kasambahay dito ang taga dyan din.
Ah! May kasambay kayong waray dyan?
Mabait siya.
Baka naghanap kayo ng aso dyan, lady dog. Pwede ako. I can shouting ow, ow, ow 3 times a day.
Sample. Sample.
Anong gusto mo kasi yung ow, ow ko? Meron na nakakalibog, attractive, ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow.
Parang okay yun.
Okay yun ba yan ha? Parang, ow, ow, ow. Ow.
Kasi parang nakaka-dehydrate yun.
Yes, look at my face. It's dehydrated na.
No. Pakantahin ka daw namin. You sing?
Yes, I can sing. What kind of sing? You have a songbook?
Billie Eilish.
Ha?
Billie Eilish.
Ano yan?
Titanic ka na daw. Titanic.
Titanic? Okay, sige. Tagay na kayo, yawa. Kinita na lang ka mo ako.
Ikaw na iya magtagal.
Titanic.
Namura pa
My
kayo.
song is assorted. Ako ay may lubos, lumipad sa langit. Di ko na nakita, pumutok na pala. Rain, rain, ayaw ka ba? You're so handsome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Remix pala yun. Remix ko.
My song is assorted.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song, Angels Like You.
Angels Like You. Yun ba yun?
Yes. No, you're wrong, Sand.
I'm sorry. I think,
Yes.
how about Salamin Salamin? Do you know Salamin Salamin daw?
Bini.
Salaming Salamin.
Salamin Salamin Salamin, nasa ng pag-ibig.
Salaming
That one.
Salamin. Hindi ko alam yan kasi, late reaction kasi yung lugar namin.
Ilan taon ka na ba? If you don't mind. How old are you?
If you don't have mind? Wala talaga akong mind.
How old are you?
I am 23 years old. Maaga lang nag-expired ang immune system ko.
Hindi, mukha ka namang 23.
Sige na lang. Hindi ka pa nagka-jowa since birth?
Meron ako ngayon. May anak ako.
May anak ka?
Hmm.
Pero wala ka. Are you single manual father?
No? Huwag kalating million.
Very nice. I'm happy to you. You can handle your...
Kaabot nga siya to.
That is means assorted family.
Hi, Blight. Si Andrea Brillantes.
Andre Brillantes sa watching.
Hello, Andrea.
Hello po.
Andrea de Almoranas.
Andrea, what please?
Hoy! Grabe to. Hi, Andrea.
Si Blake is watching. Si Blake ko yan.
Sino? Brillantes?
Kilala mo si Andrea? Sobrang ganda ni Andrea.
Kamukha nga kami yan.
Sa'yo, ano
Oo
sa'yo?
naman.
Brillantes kasi ito.
Nag-ano siya dito sa Tacloban, nag-concert.
Siya yun, nakita ko 6.7 million siya yun eh.
Ginsuga ni Kuan, ni Queen. Ginsuga ni Queen.
Okay ba yan?
Si Blight is watching.
Brilyante.
Si Blake talaga.
Brilyante ng plema.
Brilyante ng plano. Brilyante ng tubig.
Hey. Totoo nga.
Natawa
I
si
see, I see.
Blake.
Nice to meet you, Andrea de Almoranas.
Narong sem tayo. Okay lang yan.
Blight.
Fly the Goddess, di ba? Fly the Goddess.
6.7 million followers.
Siya ata yan.
Siya?
Siya nga ata.
Andrea, sumagot ka kay naguguluhan kami dito kung ikaw ba yan, kung hindi, nag-away-away na kami dito. Mag-comment ka dyan, Andrea. Papakamatay ako, nakalay.
Ginagalit mo eh.
Oo. Andrea, ikaw ba yan? Andrea de Almoranas, Andrea de Plema. Magsalita ka, nag-away-away kami dito.
Grabe, famous na dito sa ano.
Ang ibang Blight daw yon.
Iba, wrong send tayo. Repeat.
Pero may budget.
Mag-comment ka na, Blight. Uy, si Blight, Rain. Mag-comment ka na, Blight. Bitlem. Shout out, Rampogi.
Ang ng face mo.
Clear skin.
Clear skin.
Balat maya.
Para kang,
Budget.
yung face mo naka-screen protector. Kulang na lang ng helmet para cellphone ka na.
Ano yung Five Little Monkey?
Expired na yan.
Sige, bro. Maaliw din sila, maaliw. Afam. Gio. Uy, si Gio, ginkuan na. Hindi siya sa Gio. Afam, Gio. Afam. Laro kate. Try daw.
Sinong kasama mo sa bahay nyo? Are you live alone or you live with your family planning?
I live with my family, but yung anak ko sa kabilang kwarto.
So you have children, but you have a board member of your family?
Ang gwapo yung ano? Si Gio.
Ha?
Loading ka?
Oo.
Are you loading? Are you board member of your family?
Ano yun?
Ikaw
Board
ang
member.
Ikaw ang tumutulong sa pamilya mo.
Yes. Breadwinner. Pero pero kasama ko yung parents ko dito. Kaso, ano sila? Retired na sila.
Retired na. Paras pala kami. Ako, retired din ako construction.
Talaga nga?
Yes, I'm retired a construction worker almost 10 years.
Totoo? Anong ginagawa mo dati sa construction?
I'm making a hollow blocks maker. When my father is passed away, so I need to
Finance.
find a money contest because I am a board member of my family. I'm
Pero
a
totoo?
construction. Yes, I'm construction in a morning and I am a lady dog porn star in evening. But I am happy and contented with my family blender.
That's good. As long as you're happy, we support as long as you're happy.
Kahit
Dati
gusto
gumagawa
ko man o gusto,
ng ano.
ha?
Gumagawa din kami ng hollow block dati. CHB yan, di ba? Number 5, number 4, number 3.
No, we have a number size 6, size 10, ganyan.
Tapat.
Size 6, size 10, okay. Karga na sa tracking number.
Sa L. Ano yung Geo?
Sino ba yung Gio na yan?
Yun ba yung ong?
Baka gwapo yan, wala na. Magsalsal na naman ako mamaya. Isa-isa lang. Bukas na yung isa.
Nahilig ka maganon?
Depende.
Depende sa ano. Depende sa weather.
Depende. Kung it's raining and late, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Magsalsal ka sa gabi. Oo.
Hindi. Masaot.
Ang tanggalan siya stone. Anong ulam mo ngayon, kuya? Anong kinain mo? Ate Zelbog, twinkle.
Ako po.
May ka na.
Kanina, fried chicken tsaka steak.
Ha?
Fried chicken tsaka steak. Kanina.
Steak.
Kayo, ano ulam niyo?
Ano
Steak,
lang?
steak.
Tubig lang, tsaka hangin. Tubig kanal. At tsaka dog food. Pedigree.
Alak din, alak. Ano iniinom niyo?
RHU. Oo.
Nag-iron.
Ano yun? RQ.
RHU.
Red Horse.
RHU University.
Red Horse University. Sarap naman. Shot tayo, shot.
Oo. Sa Bulacan ka. Nasa Bulacan ka ngayon, kuya.
Oo, sa Bulacan ako ngayon. Pero dati sa Manila ako.
Nasa Manila.
Christian.
Kailan ka na tayo ng Manila?
Oh, Curtis.
Sa 6, magkikita kami ni Queen Hera at saka ni Pukirat. Pukirat. Yes.
Curtis.
Are you organized with Madam Hera?
I don't know.
She is a very pretty and popular and single mother.
Ah.
Yes.
Mother na siya. May anak na siya.
May anak na siya.
Wow. At least may friends ka dito sa Philippines. Sa Manila.
Oo, marami akong friend dyan. Marami akong mga kumare ko dyan sa Manila kasi nag-stay ako dyan sa Bulacan almost 1 year and 4 months. Shut down your mouth! I have a meeting business.
Anak mo yon?
Hindi, mga alipores
May
nila.
anak ka pa eh.
Wala, mga alipores nila dito. Ingay-ingay.
Okay, mag-city kasi may malimulay ko.
Yan na.
Maras na ba yun?
Marasahan. Gampang-pang.
Dami mong fans.
Wala, ano yan sila, magsasawa din yan. Darating yung time, masasawa din yan. Sa una lang masaya.
Sa una lang. Aalis din bigla, no?
Oo.
Ganyan kayo eh.
Yes. People come and go.
Pero makasa
People
pa
come
show
and go.
na.
Oo.
Dapat kung naman pinapantang mo.
People come and
2
go.
days lang.
Yes, people come and go and you can go.
Nagsayang lang ng pamasahe.
Okay, okay.
Anak yan ni Aling Mirna. Anak ka ni Aling Mirna?
Oh, anak niya ako sa Ingron.
Kaka-live ko lang kanina with Aling Mirna eh.
Oh, really? Oh,
Miss ko na yun. Miss Mama Petal.
Sino ba yung Gio?
Tali mo na yung tal.
Kasi natin. Kasi pinata siya on.
Abang ko ano.
Sabi ko po suga sa maiyak.
nakalive ba siya si Inay?
Hindi po.
Thank
Nagpapahinga
you
na
sa
ata.
nagsasend ng abuloy. Thank you sa abuloy.
Turuan daw kita mag-Chinese.
Sige, turuan mo ko mag-Chinese garter.
Anong gusto mong i-Chinese?
Ay, andito si St. Peter. St. Peter, hello.
St. Peter.
Turuan mo ko mag-Chinese.
Anong gusto mong Chinese? Tripeptide yung collagen. Anong gusto mong Chinese na ano?
Kahit ano.
Darat up din nato si mama. Katurong na ka na dito.
Yung basic, pinaka-basic, ni hao.
Ni hao?
Ni hao is,
Diyan na dito.
Ni hao ka na? Ano yung ni hao? Mabaho ba yan?
ni hao.
Inihaw ito.
Inihaw na ano? Pork chop?
It's hi.
Ha?
It's hello. Hello, ni hao.
Ah!
Ambot na ko na
Ni hao? Ni hao? Maligo ka na. Kaya man ni hao ka na.
Tapos
Ni hao. Ano yung ni hao?
Ha?
Yung ni hao.
Ano yun nyo?
Maris, Tito Mark?
Kaya may ni hao, dapat may ni ho.
Maris, Tito.
Bibi, magpara-exit na ako. Iba na yung nararamdaman ko. I feel so good and drunky.
Drunk
Kain
ka na.
muna ako.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
Okay,
meeting
okay.
you. I love you. Get well soon.
Wala kang
Get
sakit.
well soon. Sarang iyo.
Wala kang sakit. Bye-bye.
Sasal muna ako.
Artistad po.
I just play. You how?
Yun nata yung sa Avatar.
Si Gio naman invite mo.
Ano? Si Benedict yung sa Avatar?
Pero, dami nag-request. Baga ako nga. Grabe, mag-1 million
Artistad to.
Nani, baga.
Kain muna kami mga mare.
Artistad to Benedict.
Bye. Get well soon.
Artistad to si Benedict.
Artista man nakabalay.
Pero din siya sa Avatar.